Yo, what are you doing, man?
Oh, didn't know you were looking at me. I'm just making sure my beard looks good.
Looks fine.
Are you sure?
I'm 100%
Okay.
positive.
I don't know.
Well, let's just roll with it.
All right.
Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, my name's Dave.
And I'm Sean.
Today's video, we're headed back down to Dallas, Texas to help our buddy Danny finish up that restoration project. As you might have noticed, there hasn't been an update recently, and that's because we had a little bit more asbestos testing done. And it all came back positive, so we had to have a demo crew come in.
Oh, everything had to go.
Everything had to go. Gutted it down into the studs and re-drywalled it all, but you'll see that in the video.
If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop.
But just like that, let's get into it.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Bienvenidos a mi casa.
They did leave the taper down, which is nice.
Yeah, so still no fixtures, right? But this paper, it's gotta go, to be honest, because it's dusty as hell. I know it's good for painting, but
Nice.
washer dryer.
We're back at Danny's place.
Yo,
The drywall has been completed.
there's a kitchen.
We've got semblance of a kitchen.
And that there's walls.
And that there's walls, yeah. Yeah, he's right. Now, next step, we've got a washer dryer here. We're gonna move them out of the way. We've got some pretty cool stuff planned for this little alcove here. And then we're gonna bring the rest of the appliances inside from outside now that all of this is done. Only thing left to do is paint, flooring, and fixtures. We need a couple of those. But other than that,
And that's the neighbor for a dog.
it should be damn near close. Or we should be really close to finishing up and getting some renters in this place.
60% of the way done. My utility stuff is in there. Kitchens.
Looks pretty good.
You think so? Virtually untouched. Actually. Dope, right?
Yeah.
Good looks. The roofs or ceilings everywhere.
Nice.
around
I like the texture too.
it. Yeah?
Yeah.
You think they did a good job?
Yeah. Yeah, they did a pretty good job, man.
I'm sure they're not.
They left a mess though.
Yeah, they
That's
did.
true.
One thing that I'm not a fan of these people for is the mess they left.
Yeah, I think they did a pretty good job.
Think so?
Yeah, man.
Seeing fixtures everywhere. I was expecting them to mop it as part of the services, but I guess not.
No.
So that sucks.
No, this is pretty good, man.
Think so?
Yeah. Much better. Do you have balls?
Yeah. I mean, do we need? I mean, if anything,
You'll need two.
just need two. Well, if anything, what I can do is just take it out of here. These have
Oh,
I have a second.
Not yet.
Sorry.
Come on. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I could. Well, I have a setting that only uses 3, so I'll just take out 2 of them because it's super wide.
So we run into a situation with the living room lighting, as you'll see right here. The individual that installed that never cut out around the J box. We can see inside there and the J box is actually in there. However, nobody ever cut that around, so it doesn't look like this as it should, so you can actually access it. But that's okay. I don't think we'll be able to get to it tonight because that means turning off power completely while we work to set up everything. And
Don't forget, price of tile joint compound. We gotta watch out for that.
it's also dark out. So that means turning all this off while we work gets a little too dark.
Yeah. Is this a matter of choosing color? I think it might be a matter of preference, to be honest.
Yeah,
I think.
exactly what it is.
Do you like lighter
Yeah,
or do you like darker?
we can always flip around, but I think lighter is probably gonna be better.
Lighter. I think if we like that, we'll put this up front.
Hey, you just hold it like that, hold it above your head, and then you can get a sense of what it would look like against.
It's hard to see with the lighter. Maybe lighter, that's what you like?
I think that could be a good choice.
I agree.
So the first of the new lighting fixtures is in. We've got our pretty nice ceiling fan right there. And we're going to give ahead and do the test.
Moment of truth.
Hold on a second there, Danny. Hold on a second there, Danny. You know. I know my man back here is super eager, but I want to go ahead and tell you guys, we made sure all the power was off to that. And the box, just in case you don't believe us, the electrical box is back here with all of our switches. So we've already flipped them. So let's see what happens.
Go for it. Wait a second.
No. Yes!
I didn't hit all the switches. We got light. We got light. I didn't hit all the switches. Oh well. There we go.
Let there be light. Yeah. I really want to reinstall this one. This one might just need to be shifted over. Although since it's outward facing, I might just need to reinstall this and move it. Are they watching?
They're watching.
Move this to another part of the house because we have this
Gaping
gap right there,
Yeah.
and then that also has a pretty bad gap. So we might have to
On
move
both
those to other sides of the house, and we can ask Home Depot, or my man at Home Depot, just slice the sides. So
Yeah.
that'll take care of the blinds. It's gonna suck though to TBH to
We'll figure it out.
uninstall
We'll
and
figure it out.
reinstall.
Hey,
But this,
Anything
this
that's
for
worth-
sure, I think needs to be reinstalled. This probably too.
Anything worth doing?
We're doing twice.
No. All right, cool. I don't think we went through and reviewed this, but we do have appliances. It's a little dark in here because we got to get some lighting in here as well, but appliances are in.
They're in.
Okay, no, this is
Cool.
working. Yeah,
It's working, yeah.
but you're set at,
Woo! It feels good. Right?
yeah, we're set at 7, so we won't pump those numbers up.
We'll grab some water. You want some agua?
We'll hit that up to the highest one. Get that nice and cold for him. See what the freezer's like. Yeah, that freezer's working pretty nicely too. I think Danny's in a little better mood right now than he has been in the last couple of days.
It's been rough.
So
Getting better.
we gotta get better lighting. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, so Danny's a little more pumped. We got actual lights in this place. So with this, we're gonna see you guys in the next episode.
See you on the next episode.